Hi guys, I'm with the famous Joel Cruz. Meron po ngayon ang tatanong sa inyo. Kamusta po ang inyong pag-model dito sa York kasama ang family?
Masaya kami kasi first time namin mag-model dito sa New York. At the same time, ito ginagawa naman namin yung modeling sa Philippines. Dahil may mga fashion designers na Pinoy, kinukuha kami. So nag-fashion show kami doon. Kaya medyo sanay na rin yung mga bata. But this time lang dito sa New York, with graduates na. Kaya we're so happy. Nakakatuwa na may mga bata na nag-participate nila maayos.
Galing niyo po kanina, ang ganda ng mga kasuotan niyo. Second question ko po, alam naman natin na sikat ang aficionado sa buong mundo. Na matagal niya, kung ano, high school pa, yun ang ginagamit ng aficionado. Ano pong plan yun na sikat na siya ngayon? At ano pa bang mga plano niya para mas lalo bang kumanda ang aficionado?
Well, ang aficionado kasi nasa Pilipinas na siguro mga more than 500 stores sa buong Pilipinas. Meron din kami sa mga institutional stores like Mercury Drug Stores, 7-Eleven, the generic pharmacy, more than 2,000 branches yun. Wow. And ngayon, nakafocus kami sa international. Currently, may mga 17 countries na ang aficionado. Pero makikita naman nila ang aficionado sa mga Filipino stores sa buong mundo.
Okay po. Last question na po. Ito na pinakamatinding question po. Yung last question po, alam naman natin nagkaroon ng pandemic. Dahil syempre, aficionado, nung pandemic, lahat ng tao, lahat ng business ay medyo nag-slow. Bukod po sa aficionado, meron pa po ba kayong business na nagawa?
Yes, meron kami yung Takoyaki by Joel Cruz, milk tea shop, coffee jelly cafe, saka mga Japanese food. Meron din ako 6 commercial buildings sa California. Meron din kaming LED, yung parang just sa Times Square, mga LED. Brand niya is Lumino Explicit Design. Yun. At mga real estate properties din sa Philippines.
Congratulations po sa inyong success at sana po marami po kayo matulungan. Siyempre marami kayo business. Sigurado marami kayo natutulungan mga Pilipino.
Oh, yun.
Thank you so much po.
Supportahan po natin ang Pinoy King Leron. Panoorin nila yung mga vlog niya, yung mga labas niya. And of course, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Love you po. Bye-bye. Close na po na ulit. Last. Yan. My name is Ron. Swella de Bronze. Let's go. Bye, fans. Hi guys, pakilala ko sa inyo ang co-founder ng Philippine X, Sir Rob. Ayan, Sir Ren.
subscribers, some subscribers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, welcome guys. Yeah.
Pakilala mo ano, Philippine X, sir.
Philippine X is a platform for Filipino designers to showcase their work to the world.
Okay. A new era of Philippine fashion.
Yes.
Philippine X, right?
Philippine X, yeah.
Close door na, sir.
Close the door, man.
Bye, fans. Philippine X, guys. Dito na tayo. 4 o'clock mag-start na yung fashion show ng Philippine X. Let's go. Tara.
Ano yung kinakain mo?
Siyempre, pork sliders ng kali.
Yes,
Tara.
sir.
Yes, guys. Pagkalaki sa kali. As usual.
Sliders. What's up guys? What's up?
Ang ating mga Pilipino kasama, mga tropa. Okay. What's up? Dito guys, oh. Dito gaganapin yung fashion show. Dito, wala pang tao masyado. Next. Jonas! Yes, sir! Kunin ko ito, DJ yan. DJ Filipino Events. Kontakin nyo ito sila Jonas. Alright. Hey, next na.
Ay, sa mga nag-subscribe dyan, DJ Filipino Events, samahan sa mga picture video, lahat kayo ng kilo, Instagram ko, follow nyo lang, reels, anything, marketing, lahat.
Oh, yes, sir! See you! Alright. Kali! Alright, Philippine Next. Thank you, Princess. Philippines. Close the door. Yes. Yes. Close the door. Yeah. Yeah, siyempre meron din yung culture, oh. Culture. Siyempre, Philippine Next. The new era of Philippine fashion. Ayan, dami ng tao guys. Tara na, maya mag-isimula na. Pasok na tayo guys. George, pasok na. Let's go. Ang dami ng tao. Bye fans, close the door.
Bye, fans!
Alright.
Hello, absolutely fabulous people. So we've done it, right? We have turned an ambitious vision into a reality. Philippine Next, an unprecedented project by Filipino artists to showcase their work to the world. So we're no longer just blending in Filipinos. We're standing out. But we have to thank and we have to congratulate the people who made this event possible. Of course, to the designers, Bessie, Wilson, VJ, and Michael. We cannot wait to see your creations tonight, but there's no doubt that you're gonna blow our minds. To our partners, of course, as mentioned earlier, but I'm just gonna have a quick mention of them because we love them, all of them. Aficionado by Joel Cruz and all their brands, thank you so much. Kalye, Yippee-Kaye, Harriet Manila's here, the Philippine Consulate, thank you so much, sir. The Philippine Airlines, Rex Jewelry, New York Makeup Academy, thank you so much, guys, for all your support. To the people who set this up and who are actually running the show tonight, Bessie had to, step back a little bit and let other competent people to do this job for us. And they're here. Director Yancy Trinidad is here. People from Little John, Ryan Calmante, and Rich Australia, and everyone behind this event. It's a proudly all Filipino crew. Thank you so much. And of course, to our family and friends, thank you for your support. We always need you. And of course, from the bottom of my heart, to my Philippine partner, Bessie Lozana, thank you for showing me to the back door of a fashion show, which led all of that to this. You have the smarts, you have the courage, and the discipline to see this through. Everything else after this will be marvelous. Okay, so
Magpa-picture kami dito guys, tapos dito sa camera 360. Yan. Gagamitin natin yan. Lahat ng mga access dito gagamitin na natin. Dalawa kami James gagamit yan. Diba James? Excited ka na James? Alright, let's go. Tara, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo dito. Philippine Next. Guys, ito ang ating kitchen. Andito si Chef Joko. Hello, Chef. Joko. Ang dami niyong ginagawa. What are you making, Chef?
Vegan sliders.
Vegan sliders. So, nandito lahat ng ating mga poging-poging staff ng kalye. Chef Aliana. Alright. Daming sliders niyan ah. Si Aliana pa. Alright. Idol, ano yung ginagawa mo? Pork skewers, pork skewers. Alright, ito ang ating ganda ng kitchen natin. Ang laki, di ba? Ang linis pa. Yan, ito ang sliders guys. Oh. Chef Joko. Alright, kaya pala masarap eh. Warmer, bukas natin. Wow. Yan, ang init. Okay, vegan sliders. Ube sliders. O pwede rin tawagin pork sliders. Alright. Bye, Pants! Bye, Pants! Bye, Pants! Bye, Pants! Close the door, Pants! Alright. Kalye.
Kalye. So let's say Kalye. Where? What? Say Kalye.
Say Kalye. Kalye. Do this. Yes.
Are you sure that
Is that too spiky?
Hello. Hello.
Looks good. I don't know what it is.
Oops.
Sorry.
You ready?
Philippine Next after party, guys. Congratulations, Philippine Next. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Alright.
Mga idol, baka hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Yan na rin ang aking Facebook account at yan na rin ang aking Instagram. Aba, galaw-galaw na mga idol. Bye fans na ulit. Thank you for watching ulit.